I think as with all the projects in the hillside, there's always this challenge of dealing with the topography, dealing with privacy.
I used to belong to Maryland Monroe, and it's a small bungalow, and it burned down in the 1961 fires.
When I was asked to curate the home, I wanted to take into consideration the architecture, the design, the vistas. Every room in this house has a beautiful scenery, vistas outdoors.
Really need to look at this sculptural facade, one attracted your interest of it being something unique and different, but at the same time give a lot of privacy to the house itself. This sculptural element with these undulating and bent panels, these curved beams with a skylight that kind of runs through the whole length of this house. And that allows the light to really beautifully filter through into the pathways of the primary bedrooms and other elements of the house. But I think architecturally, it also wanted to become sort of this element that sort of set this house apart.
I love modern spaces, open plan spaces, but one thing that I am known for is to create the warmth in a space like this. It's very challenging, especially such a large scale. One of the goals was to make it warm, to make it cozy, and two elements that I love to play with and to combine when it comes to design is to bring, vintage pieces with modern pieces, marry the old with the new.
The sum of the collection of artworks has to be greater than the individual artwork that might be in the collection. So I'm very weary about making that happen. We have abstract art, we have expressionist art, we have photographic dream work art that focuses on landscapes. So there's all different elements that work well together in different areas of this house. At the same time, I did not want to take away from the home aspect. We want to keep the house a home.